Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a how do they feel about you reading for the sign of Leo. Please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all of you. So please take what resonates, leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements as well. Let's see what's coming up. Leo, how do you feel about your person? This is for the rest of November. And I would also like to thank all of you who have liked, shared and subscribed to my channel. I'm truly grateful for all the comments and the likes and the subscriptions. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so. It helps me grow as a reader. It helps me post more videos. So please do subscribe and like and do comment and let me know how these resonate with you or not. Okay, so yeah, please do comment, please do subscribe. So Leo, what's coming up for you? What's your overall energy when it comes sorry, not your overall energy, let's see how you feel about this person. How do you feel about this person you're thinking of right now? The person you are thinking of, the person you are dealing with. This could be anybody, your ex, your current person, or it could be somebody, anybody who you're not in touch with. Maybe let's see what's coming up for you. Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Okay Leo, let's see how does your person think and feel about you. They have the Four of Swords, the Knight of Swords and the Ace of Wands. Okay, so Leo, starting off, I see that there is a, you may be missing this person right now. Maybe you're not in communication or in touch with this person. I feel that there was something that didn't work out between the two of you maybe, and there's a lot of regret, there's a lot of sadness, there's a lot of missing, a feeling of missing them, or a feeling of missing out on something here. Because there is definitely a lot of love here. You look at this person with a lot of love. You feel that this person had a lot of love to give you, and there is love from your side to them as well. You see them as somebody you can have something very stable, very grounded, very long term with. Okay, and I feel that you somewhere want something with this person. You want a new beginning here with them. You want to reach out to them, offering them something very stable and long term. But on their side, I also, like I said, there is no communication between the two of you right now. I see them healing from something. I see them trying to focus on their own energy. They're trying to heal from something between the two of you. Maybe things were not so good the last time when you met, or there was something here that needed them to kind of withdraw and take a break from you. But I feel that they also have this need, or they also feel this need to come towards you, rush towards you. This could also be how they see you, like you rushing in, like you are somebody who's very very quick, very unpredictable. Okay, or this could be like I said, this could be their feeling, their state of mind where they want to rush towards you to communicate. There's this need for them to just do something, like this energy where when you kind of hold back on something for too long, there is this pent up energy, this frustration to just kind of do something, in that spur of moment. I get that kind of an energy here. But again, they have a lot of passion for you as well, and they see you as being very passionate. They see you as being very fiery, and I think that's how they even see you, as having a lot of passion, having a lot of that very strong attraction towards. I think they also see you as somebody who's only interested in the physical aspect, whereas you are looking at them as something very long term. Okay, so there is that difference because you both have aces. It's just that you look at them as being long term, stable, and maybe that's how you are. You are wanting to go and reach out to them, and on their side, they look at you as somebody very physical, very passionate, and maybe they see you as only that, like somebody who can only offer them that. But they want to come towards you, like in the future they do want this passionate new beginning, this passionate new start with you. So let's see, I'll clarify the cards, but before that, let's see what's challenging you and this person when it comes to this connection. Ace of Cups. The challenge here is to express that love. Under the deck we have the Sun energy, which is your energy, by the way, Leo. So this person does bring you a lot of happiness. You are very happy when you're with them. And the challenge here is this Ace of Cups. I think coming together, expressing your love and emotion and sharing that love and emotion is the challenge for you and this person right now. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, Leo, in the Lovers. So they might come towards you expressing their love towards you, but Lovers is also about having a choice. So there is something that they are trying to choose, they are trying to decide, I feel, when it comes to this connection. Okay, let's clarify the cards and see what these are about. Why is the Five of Cups here for Leo? Five of Swords. Why is the Queen of Cups here for Leo? Ace of Swords. Why is the Ace of Pentacles here for Leo? Three of Wands. Why is the Four of Swords here for Leo's person? Three of Pentacles. Why is the Knight of Swords here? The Hermit. Why is the Ace of Wands here? Nine of Pentacles. Why is the Ace of Cups here as a challenge? High Priestess. Why is the Lovers here as the action? The Four of Wands. So yeah, so Leo, what I see is there was some kind of deception or some kind of, I feel like this is more of self-sabotage kind of an energy that I'm getting, but there was something that didn't go right in the past, okay, either from your side or from their side, which is why there is regret here, because I think this could be you having done something which you kind of regret doing, or you may have said something which you regret saying, which has caused you a lot of, you are worried, you are very anxious with what you have done or what you've said maybe, or what this person has done or said, but there is a lot of regret, there's a lot of feeling like you missed a chance with this person, but it is pretty clear to you that this is the kind of person you want to be with, this is the kind of love that you want in your life, and it is also, there's some clarity and truth coming towards you even about your own feelings for this person, where you have realized that this is the kind of love I want, this is the kind of person I want to be with, this is the kind of love I was looking for in my life. So there is this realization, the sudden realization of you having a lot of love for this person, and you are recognizing their love for you. Okay, now like I said, Ace of Pentacles, you want a new beginning, a new start with this person, but you are waiting, you're not taking any action towards them. I think you are hoping that this person will reach out to you, or this person will make some moves towards you. Now on their side, they have the Four of Swords, because they feel there was some third party situation in this arrangement, in this connection. Okay, it may or may not be true, but that's how they are seeing the situation as. That's why they need this healing, because they feel that there was a third party element here, and now this third party need not be another person, it could have just been family interferences or friends interfering in this connection, or it could just be work coming in the way between the two of you. Okay, but they are trying to heal from this, they are trying to get over something here. Okay, yeah, there is a lot of silence between the two of you. You are not talking to each other, but they do have this need, this urge to rush towards you, to communicate, to talk, to reach out to you. But I feel that they're holding back. Okay, they do want to talk to you, they want to rush towards you, but they are holding back and not coming towards you. Uh, Ace of Wands. I see them trying to, wanting to kind of pursue something very passionate with you. I think now they have kind of realized, or they want to keep things probably very casual with you, because they feel that they don't really, they're not looking at something very like an emotional connection. Okay, or maybe this is how they look at you. They see you as being very independent, very happy by yourself, enjoying yourself, having a lot of passion. And when you couple it with the Ace of Wands, it's more like they see you maybe as somebody who's only interested in temporary things, physical aspects of a relationship, and nothing emotional. Okay, but on your side, you see them as somebody having a lot of love, and you are also developing a lot of love for this person. Okay, so they see you as being only passionate, only talking about, maybe that's how you started off earlier. This connection may have started off as just a physical connection. Let me just clarify this Nine of Pentacles and this Ace of Wands. Yeah, Page of Wands. See, they see you as being very wanting only something very surface level, not wanting to go deep into anything. Okay, Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Either you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you have that in your chart somewhere, but this is them looking at you as being somebody who's only interested in the surface level of a relationship, not wanting to go deeper emotionally. Okay, but here you are developing deep feelings for this person. But that doesn't mean that this person does not have that equal passion for you. They have a lot of passion for you, and I think if you approach them with that kind of energy, they will be okay to take it forward. But that's how they see you as. That's how they think about you as. Okay. Now, what is challenging you here is this Ace of Cups and the High Priestess. So the challenge for you in this connection, for you and this person, is not expressing your feelings for one another, because clearly the Ace of Cups, there's a lot of love between the two of you, and there is a potential of a new beginning with feelings and love and passion. But the problem here is neither one of you is expressing your feelings openly. Okay, you're keeping it a secret, you and that person both. It's not come out in the open yet, which is why there is this clash. Like you both are looking at each other from a different kind of point of view. Like you both feel that you're not on the same page, but in reality you are actually on the same page. Now, what action this person is going to take towards you is, this person might come towards you expressing their desire to pursue something long term, because you've got the Four of Wands and the Lovers. So yeah, they might take that step towards you in the month of November or December, because they see you as being the one, soulmate connection. There is 11-11 here. So they do see you as a soulmate. They do have a lot of love for you. They feel that you both can do very well together and be happy in a relationship. And I think they will come towards you, making that move in the month of November or December. So yeah, Leo, this is what I have for you. Nine of Cups is under the deck. So yeah, there is a wish fulfillment. Three of Swords, heartbreak, getting over a heartbreak, I think, because there was some lack of give and take here, but somebody's coming in again, rushing towards you. So like I said, this could have been, this three of, you are the wish fulfillment. You both are the wish fulfillment for each other. but there was heartbreak of some kind. There was this lack of give and take, and then now somebody's coming rushing towards you, yeah, wanting to invest in this connection. So yeah, it's a very beautiful reading, Leo. I hope this resonated with you in some way. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and subscribe. Do comment, let me know how this resonated, and I will see you very soon in another reading. Till then, take care.